Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time since I last recorded a video, a vlog, or anything because I've been having my exams, my CIE AS level exams, and I had 11 exams which are lasting, they're still going on, but like Eid is in the middle of them. I have 3 left, P1s of physics, chemistry, and bio. But Eid aa gayi hai, so like I have to go for that. Like that's a necessity. So I'm prepping right now, and I have like all the stuff laid out. I am an overpacker, so I pack a lot of shit that I might not even need. And I'm packing some technology so we can play with my cousins, like have music and stuff like that. So like I'm the party planner, so like that's how it works out. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, I'm wearing this new shirt I just bought like a few days ago. I really like it, but I like that camouflage shirt that's in my bag right now, and I want to wear it yesterday after wearing the shalwar kameez. So yeah, I'll see how that works out. If I take pictures, I'll put them there. So in a few, I'll just be packed and I'll be heading out for Gujrat. Maybe I'll put some clips of the way in this. So yeah, come with me. My kitties are not in their cage right now because we've let them out because it's extremely hot. As everyone in Lahore knows, it's really hot. I guess it's hot all over Pakistan. So we've let them out, but their food and everything is here. But they're like out somewhere finding cold places to sit on, or just like in the neighbor's house, and they come back when they want to eat or whatever. So it's like chill, so yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we're about to leave and it's raining right now, which is really pretty. Mashallah, mashallah. Just hope everything goes good and well and everyone's happy and healthy and fine.